Stephanie here, and I have an unbagging today. This one is from BlackMilk Clothing. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okie dokie. Okay, the first thing is these are leggings, and they are Ravenclaw leggings. These are from their new Harry Potter athletic wear line. There are birds that are like ravens. They're not eagles, which is the Ravenclaw actual symbol, but it's like the movie symbol is ravens, I guess. But these have pockets on the side, on one side. These are really cool. I've never tried any of their athletic leggings before, so I'm excited to check these out. I'm also just so excited to be sporty and a Ravenclaw at the same time. And then the second thing they sent is, this is a matching Ravenclaw racerback tank, and it's actually see-through. I'm not sure how much of that you can see. It's mesh, so it's like see-through. So you probably, if you are large-chested like I am, you have to wear like a sports bra or another tank probably underneath, perhaps. You can't just wear this by itself or just wear it with a regular bra, I think. But this is really cute. What's really cool is when I was in Brisbane at the BlackMilk headquarters and production facility and warehouse, I saw this collection being made. So it's really cool that I finally have some pieces from it like in my hands. It's pretty cool. There were a couple other things as part of this collection. There was a sweatshirt, which I've never had one of their like sweatshirt products before, so that would be interesting to try. They also had like a dress version of the tank, like a mini dress, so that would be interesting too to try. But I think that was limited, so I don't know that that will be available again or is available now. But these are super cool. Thank you so much to BlackMilk for sending me some awesome Ravenclaw goodies to try. There'll be pictures and more on the blog, so go check out fashionablynerdy.com. If you like this video, click like. If you want to see more videos like this one, click subscribe. And don't forget to check out all the other videos on our channel. We have a lot of unboxing videos and review videos, but we also have lots of really other cool things like events and travel. And you could go check out that BlackMilk tour that I took in Brisbane. So go check it out down below at the side, wherever it is. And I will see you next time. Bye.